anyway. Okay, so the set took 2 days to get up. So we won't have time for a final dress. That's okay. We'll just think of opening night as the final dress. All we have to do is get through it once tonight for doors and sardines. That's what it's all about. Doors and sardines. Getting on, getting off. Getting the sardines on, getting the sardines off. That's farce. That's theater. That's life.